guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then subscribe to my channel, hit on that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you like today's tutorial, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below. For today's tutorial, I have created this really fun blue eye makeup look. If you guys really love this look and want to know how to achieve it, then please continue watching. Let's begin with our makeup. Let's begin with applying this primer. It is my Urban Decay's All Nighter Face Primer. Love it. मैंने अपने last tutorial में भी इसे use किया था. It's really nice. It holds your makeup for a very long time. So guys, this is my Huda Beauty's Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray Ultra Matte Finish. So I'm going to spray this so our makeup will stay for a long time. I actually have heard very good things about this setting spray, but I think it does not smell really great. One second. Khul ja. Okay. It smells exactly like the foundation, you know, I think abhi jo naya foundation hai, it does not have any fragrance in it, but this one smells exactly like their first launch. How I get it, it has a very strong smell. For foundation guys, I'm going to use these two. Okay, I'm going to mix these two foundations. This one goes one shade lighter on me and this one oxidizes on me, so I thought let me mix these two foundations today. This is my kabuki brush, Sigma ka kabuki brush. Okay, I'm just going to stamp it like so. For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This one is in the shade Medium to Ginger. Love it. This is my K-Beauty's HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Banana. And with the help of this powder, I'm going to set my under eyes. Just applying it on the rest of my face. I will be spraying this spray again. Now let's go in with a nice blush. This one is from the brand Myglamm. It is their Play Raspberry blush. It is in the shade Frozen Raspberry. So guys, Myglamm products are vegan and cruelty free, and this is a really nice blush. Love the color. It is appropriate for monsoons, and I love the packaging also guys, and it is very affordable as well. Okay, it has a really nice suede packaging. You also get a full size mirror, so that's amazing. And guys, Myglamm has really nice affordable products for all skin tones, so I will be leaving a link in the description box below, and you can also use my coupon code to get additional 40% discount. They always have amazing offers going on their website, on their app, so make sure to download the app or check out the website for amazing offers. And I have read really good reviews on Myglamm's website for this product guys. This blush is matte in finish. It is intensely pigmented, blends effortlessly. It is available in fresh fruity flavors. It is cruelty free, and you can see how pigmented this blush is guys, and it also blurs imperfections and gives a very healthy looking skin. You can buy any two products from Myglamm collection and get 40% off, and you don't have to pay anything for shipping. And also you can click on the link that I will be providing in the description box below, so you can check out Myglamm's website for amazing offers and deals which they have on makeup and skincare. So now let's apply this beautiful blush. I love the fresh fruity scent. You guys can see my skin is looking instantly very healthy. It gives a very healthy glow. I'm just going to apply it on my nose as well, on my chin. So guys, I'm not going to apply any highlighter, so I'll just quickly finish one side of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. So this is what I have done on this side of my eye guys, and now I will be doing the same thing on my right eye. I will be going in with one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It is Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. Okay, I love this palette. I love the shadows in here, love the color story. Okay, so it's a very fun monsoon makeup look, right? And it is super easy to do. Believe me, you will finish this look in like 1 minute, max 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I will be going in with this shadow, which is called Nebula, okay, which is this one. Let me just show it to you guys, okay, Nebula. So I'm going to go in with this shadow first. You don't have to be perfect, okay guys, just apply it randomly, okay, but in a good manner. Okay, I'm taking the shadow on my MAC 1, oh this is 213 brush, okay, and just tap off excess, okay, and start placing the eyeshadow like so. Just have fun, okay, it's a fun monsoon look, so just have fun with it. Okay, you will be having something similar like this in your collection if you don't have the exact shadow or the eyeshadow palette. However, I will highly recommend this eyeshadow palette, guys. It is really beautiful. To take a little bit above my crease as well. Now I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow on my bottom lash line, okay. We want our eyes to sparkle. This one is my Myglamm's Lit Glossy Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Blue Birthday. I love the name actually, it's very cool. Okay, and guys, it is so pigmented. It is waterproof, smudge proof, and it lasts up to 24 hours. Let me just swatch it on my hand. You will see. Look at the pigmentation, guys. It is intensely pigmented, okay, it's very saturated and it applies evenly. I love the flexi tip brush. It is very nice. It gives very even and clean application. So if you are a beginner when it comes to makeup or applying eyeliner, you will love this. I will highly recommend it, and it is available in 5 shades, okay, so you'll get different colors as well. And because of its lightweight formulation, it does not feel heavy on the eyes. It feels extremely comfortable. So let's apply this beautiful eyeliner now. I love, okay, you get a very good hold, very good grip. That is what I love about it. Wow, love this color. It's a glossy eyeliner, by the way. Guys, the application is so easy with this one. And now I'm just going to pull a little bit over here on my inner corner. I love the rich color payoff of this eyeliner. Applying my favorite mascara, guys, it is Forever 52's XL Lash Volume Mascara. So I'm done with my eye makeup, guys, and now it's time to apply our lipstick. And today I will be going in with my Myglamm's Ulti Matte Long Stay Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Show Girl. Okay, love the gold packaging. It is stunning, and again, it is worth buying. It's very affordable. Let me swatch it. Oh, it is so pretty. Love this color. Look at the color, guys. It is so beautiful. It's a long stay matte lipstick, guys, which glides on in one stroke. It is very creamy and lightweight, and there is no bleeding or feathering with this lipstick. I love the texture. Very smooth, very creamy. And you guys know my love for this powder. It is my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on my T-zone. Okay, so let's apply this powder now. So guys, all these 3 products from Myglamm are totally worth buying and are affordable too, and you can use my discount code to get 40% discount on any 2 products that you want to purchase from Myglamm's app or website. I will be leaving the link in the description box below, and you don't even have to pay anything for shipping. Now let's spray our Morphe Continue Setting Mist. You guys know that I love this mist.